Phuket Airport Inn, all good, nice to rest here. Exceptional, okay, place stay walk cool beach, 10 minutes walk airport. No plane noise. Not fancy but handy. Good place for a night, nice and clean. Exceptional. I stay at Phuket Airport Inn for 2 nights. Nice rooms and swimming pool. Walking distance to airport is the most advanced point of this property, best in Nai Yang. The 5th time I stayed here. Always clean and the location is just ideal. So close to the airport. The beach and fresh market are a short walk from the hotel. The best food is right outside the door. There are 2 groceries just minutes walk. We rent scooters from the hotel for $10 a day. The pool is always very clean, and refreshing, and pretty. The room is basic. I enjoy the tiny private balcony. We play cards on the table and it is cool there. The plants are beautiful and I enjoy the space very much. It was very good. Didn't expect that it will be good place to stay, not for short time, but also for long time. The beach is pretty near, can go by walk. And there is not much people, which is good. It is a little bit noisy but not from airplane. The noise from cars and motorcycles. But it is fine. The staff is friendly and hospitality. Overall I love this place and will come more there. Thank you very much for comfortable and pleasant stay. Good room near airport, good room but look old. Pretty good. Stay was good and definitely recommended. Don't trust the pictures of the pool though, it's messed up early and the heater wasn't working in our room. Everything else was great. Great stay. Perfect for solo traveler. Stay close to airport. Exceptional. It's only walkable distance from airport. I would suggest other people if they just want to stay for a night, then go for it. It's convenient. Nice hotel near to the airport. Very convenient, very convenient. Everything is promised. Very clean. Friendly staff. We had 1 night there because of late arrival. Recommended. A1 best near the airport, best place to stay. Nice place near the airport, near the beach. Stuff was very good, especially the lady who took me to the beach to get some food and dropped me the airport. Very satisfied, highly recommend. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Walking distance to the airport, very clean room and less than minutes walking to the airport main building. Few halal restaurants along the road. Very good location, it's very near to hotel and good place to stay, very good staff.